No! Please, wait! I am scared!
Ben, don't worry.
Emma, I want to go home! Ben, wait! I don't like dentists! Ben, look at me. I don't want that machine. It is okay. What is that sound?
It is just a small tool.
It sounds scary. I think it will hurt. Why do you think that? I don't know.
Ben, what are you doing?
I am hiding.
Hiding from the dentist?
Dad, I am really scared.
I understand.
What if it hurts?
Ben, we can go slowly.
Really?
Yes. You can tell me to stop. Do you want to hold this?
This one?
Yes. It is just a mirror. Ben, please open your mouth. Ben, I see something.
What? Is something wrong? What do you see?
I see a small problem.
A problem? I knew it! My tooth is broken!
No, Ben. Relax. You have a small cavity.
Is that bad?
We can fix it.
Will it hurt?
I will be very gentle.
Promise? Promise?
First, I will show you everything.
So I know what you are doing?
Exactly.
You can do it, Ben. I am trying. Take a slow breath.
Ready?
Not really.
That's okay.
Wait, that's all?
That's all.
I thought it would be worse. I am still scared,
That's okay.
but I can do this.
Okay, Ben. Let's fix your tooth.
You can do it! Okay, I am ready.
Okay, Ben. Stay still.
Okay. You're doing great! Wait,
What happened?
I don't feel pain. See? See? You were scared for nothing.
You're doing very well.
Are you almost finished?
Almost.
I think I can do this. I knew you could. I'm not scared now.
All done.
Already?
Yes. You did it.
Thank you, Doctor.
You're welcome, Ben.
You were not scary at all.
How did it go?
I did it!
You did?
I was very scared. But you didn't give up. Have you ever been scared of the dentist? Tell us in the comments. If you enjoyed our story, please like and subscribe.